Yo, family, yo, traders, yo, ruffians, it's your rough trader here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, family. Yeah, I'm sure you guys were surprised that you didn't see me drop a video on last week's market outlook. Yeah. So it's due to some busy schedules, so I had to just keep last week. But yeah, I'm back again. Yeah, I'm back again with this week's Forex market outlook. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to always please like and subscribe. Imagine you getting like, yeah, we are still growing. Imagine getting like about 32 views or 30 views and just getting 7 likes. When I get 32 views, I'm supposed to get 32 likes, family, that's how it's meant to be. Yeah, just support. Show some support, please. Don't be a resistance. But let's go to the, we look out for GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and XAUUSD. And I asked us to drop some pairs you want me to look out for in the comment section. So someone dropped US30 and Euro JPY. So let's see if we'll be able to also check out those pairs. So this is GBPUSD. This is GBPUSD. So let's see what's happening. Though we don't really have too much actions happening on the weekly time frame, monthly time frame. Yeah, we don't really have too much actions. So we can just start mapping out stuff from probably our daily time frame or 4 hour time frame. So let's start. Let's see what happens. Let's see what's happening. But in GBP USD was selling last week Friday. All of a sudden, I just saw one reversal candlestick. Boom. I feel it was as a result of the UK Prime Minister resigning. Uh, Things were not just balanced with GBP USD. It was selling. It on Thursday. I think on Thursday, it was selling. All of a sudden, I saw a bullish spike, then a rejection from my trend line. So price started coming down, coming down, coming down. All of a sudden, on Friday, price started going up again. And it was crazy. It was so crazy. So let's see what we have on the chart today on GBP USD. So as we all know, check out for buy pressures, check out for sell pressures too. So I'm rounding it up due to psychological key level areas. So let's just go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's just go to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so price is obviously trending upward. Yes, in this zone we mark here, we marked the upper one and the downward zone. That's the resistance, and this is the support here. So apparently, price is trending upward. Then we know, okay, yes, we are complementing it with maybe a trend line or trend lines what going up. Yes. So let's see. There's another minor resistance around this area. So we are also marking the minor resistance. Let's just adjust it to a psychological key level. Okay, good. Then another buy pressure, yeah. So we are also marking this one out too. Okay, so what we are just trying to do is marking out our levels where we can find the buy pressure and sell pressure, just like marking the support area and the resistance area. So that's what we're just trying to do. So before we complement our trend, which we already identified as a bullish trend. Yeah, I'm using a current impulse here. Okay. So let's see. This is more or less like a lower high, lower low, lower high here. So let's see if price is going to break above to beat this lower high before it turns to a higher high. So price needs to beat this minor resistance area around this place. Or price can still even reject the area. So that's market for you. Price can still even reject the area, then start selling downward. So let's just draw a rectangle here. So I'm just going to label this place psychological key level. So yeah, I already labeled that as psychological key level. So now, I already labeled it as psychological key level. So now what are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? So the only thing, okay, yes, market is all about buying and selling. So you need to analyze in a way you're going to see a buy or analyze in a way you're going to see a sell. So if you're expecting a sell, wait for price to come here, reject from this third touch and psychological key level before a sell downward. But if you are waiting for a buy, you wait for price to break above, retest, and continue upward. It's as simple as that on GBPUSD. Like I said, if you're waiting for a sell, wait for price to come back here, reject on the psychological key level, and third touch on the trend line with a good bearish price action candlestick for a sell. And if you're waiting for a buy, you wait for a break above this level here. It's my retest to this point to form a counter trend for a retest and a continuation upward. So that is what I'm looking out for on GBPUSD. Yeah. So let's go to GBPJPY. Yeah. Oh, this is GBPJPY. This is GBPJPY. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see what's happening on GBPJPY. Oh, this was this sharp rejection around this area for a bullish push. But still, if you pay attention to the market behavior properly, you would see the bulls haven't really gained their impulse. The bulls haven't really gained their impulse. In as much price broke this week and this high here, they're all highs. Price broke. This is the new high here presently on the weekly. You understand? So even though price just created this place, we haven't really gotten the main bullish pressure. We haven't gotten the main bullish pressure. So I won't just say price will keep pushing upward. Yeah. I won't just say price will keep pushing upward. So let's go to the monthly time frame. Okay. So let's see some level we can mark here. Okay, yeah. Because there's a buy pressure here. There's a buy pressure, so we have to draw it here. So we could expect or see a possible break above or a sell continuation downward. And possibly see a break above because price needs to break inside this place, inside this level, or reject downward. Yes. So those are the two things that should come to your mind. So let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame. Okay, so the daily time frame in current market condition, the daily time frame is obviously an overall bullish trend. The current market condition, yes, an obvious bullish upward bullish trend forming a, can you see it here? Higher low, higher high, higher low, We don't know yet. So price can just reverse downward and start selling. We don't know yet. So let's go to the 4-hour time frames to mark out our zones very, very well. Let's mark out our zones properly. Oh, wow. Okay. This is obviously an overall bullish trend. Yeah. It's an overall bullish trend, even though we got a rejection around this area. So let's see if the rejection is going to continue pushing downward, or price is just going to invalidate this candlestick and start pushing upward for a bullish continuation. So I'm just trying to mark our buy pressure and sell pressure. Zones by zones. So let's draw a trend line. Oh, price gave us something like an ascending wedge. And an ascending wedge tends to break out from below. Yeah, I think an ascending trend, an ascending pattern, ascending wedge pattern or a rising wedge. Yeah, we call it a rising wedge. A rising wedge pattern tends to break out from below. So price already broke out. Price already broke out though. But let's see if price is going to, because price broke out from this trend line. So let's see if price is going to retest the trend line and also form confluence with a structure it broke. So let's pay attention to this place. There's a structure here. Price broke this low. Because if you look at it, you see price was consolidating around this area before it broke out. And the end of a consolidation is a what? Is a breakout. So price already broke out from this consolidation. Can you see price was moving sideways around this area? All of a sudden, price broke out downward. So what we are expecting is price should just move, retest, and continuation downward for a sell on GBPJPY. GBPJPY looks clearer. I don't know, it looks clear. Yeah, so GBPJPY looks clear. It looks very, very clear. So since we already have a rising wedge, we know a rising wedge tends to break out from below. So what we are just expecting is price to come back for a retest of structure or a retest of low that was broken or a retest of trend that was broken and a what sell continuation downward. So that's what I'm looking out for on GBPJPY. GBPJPY looks very clear. I feel we should all profit from this market. Let's capitalize from this market. And and don't get it twisted. Like I said, don't get it twisted. We can still see a breakout upward to the upside. Yeah, it's very, very possible. Yeah, we don't own the market. We just analyze and react to what we see in the market. So let's go to the last pair, gold, before we check out Euro JPY and US 30. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at gold reacted to this demand area. Gold reacted to this demand area. When price got to this area, I was like seeing calls that should I buy, should I buy? I was like, no, don't buy because price has been trending downward for some time. And when price is trending downward for some time, it reverses with a pattern. Now look at this gave us what a double bottom pattern before it started going up. And if you look at this place too, on gold, previous place, can you see price has been going up on gold and it gave us a what? A double top before it starts coming down. And this one to also give us a double bottom before it starts going up. So you guys should understand the market. You guys should try and understand the way the market move, understand the market behavior. Do you guys understand? Just try and understand the way the market behaves so you can also make money from the market. Yes. So let's go to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame on gold. This is the weekly time frame on gold. Honestly, gold reacted to this low here. It broke, breakout, retest, and continuation down. I was expecting gold to just continue selling downward. Honestly, I didn't even see the buy coming at all because price broke from this low, breakout, retest, and I expect a continuation push downward. But still, we can still see a push downward. Yeah, we can still see a push downward. Yeah, we can still see a push downward, even though price reacted to demand on the 4 hour. So this is where price is presently. So there's not too much things we should mark here. Let's go to the smaller time frame. Let's see what we can mark on the daily time frame. Okay, this is just the reversal. And this is a very nice bullish candlestick. Yeah. This current candlestick is a very nice bullish candlestick. And I can even see something like a double bottom for me because like I said, like I said, when I was trying to illustrate the 4 hour time frame of gold, price has been trending downward. Yeah, trending. And now I feel price is about to reverse. I don't know yet, but I feel price is about to reverse. That's why it gave us the first bottom, and now this is the second bottom for a push continuation upward. Is that what wants to happen on gold? I don't know. We react to what we see. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. So this is gold. Man, what's this pair doing, man? What's this pair doing? What's this pair doing? Okay. I'll just mark this out. I'll just mark this area out. I'll mark this area out. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so price already broke the neckline of this double bottom. So we expect price to come back for a retest and a continuation upward for a buy on gold. Let's check for inner trends. Let's check for inner trends. Got an inner trend here. I'm cloning this. Okay, so you might just see price come down for a retest. Yeah, I don't know. Then a continuation upward for a buy on gold. Since this is a descending channel and it already broke out above, so we might just see price making a correction downward to this point and start going up for a buy. So wait patiently to what we see. Wait patiently and react to what we see. So that's that on GBP GBPJPY, and gold. So let's look out. Let's check out Euro JPY and US 30. Yes, they told us to check it out. So let's see what's happening on Euro JPY. Wow. Wow. Man, this pair has been buying. Euro JPY looking like GBP JPY. Price trending upward. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Oh, oh, oh! I even have an alert set here on this pair. So this pair is presently approaching a high, or if not, has gotten to a high. So let's see on the weekly time frame that should be looking like a supply area. Oh, yes, it is a supply area. It is a supply area. It is a supply area. So I don't know if price is just going to enter here, activate, and start coming down on Euro JPY, but price haven't gotten there. Price haven't gotten there. Yeah, price haven't gotten there. So it's just like price entering this area here and coming down. You know, so it's just like price entering this main base area here and forming a rejection and start selling down because this is a supply area here. This is supply here. Yeah. So we expect price to enter here and just start selling. But let's go to the okay, let's mark this point where price rejected. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this is also a this is also an overall bullish trend on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, the current trend is an overall bullish trend. So let's see what we can mark out from here. I'll adjust that. Oh, wow, 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 wow. So this was the third touch rejection. This was the third touch rejection on the trend line. This was the first touch, second touch, and the third touch here. Wow. That was the rejection we had on Euro JPY for a sell. So price, and you know how important the third touch is on the trend line. So we might still see price pushing downward. Yes, on Euro JPY, you might still see price pushing downward because it already did the third touch rejection. So let me so let's check for buy pressure and sell pressure to the right side. Okay, okay, okay. So we can even check for inner trends. Yeah, we can check for inner trends. Yeah, good. So I don't really see anything price wants to do now. Come here to test this low. Yeah, it broke before it starts coming down for a sell. Come in, let me adjust the level. So we might just see price just come back here for a retest, then a continuation push downward. Yeah, for a continuation push downward for a sell. I don't know. That's what I'm looking out for on Euro JPY. Yeah, might just see price come back for a rejection because it did a third touch rejection on the upper trend line, which is very strong rejection on the trend line, the rule of trend line. So we expect a push upward and a retest and continuation downward on Euro JPY. So let's go to US 30. So this is US 30, guys. This is US 30. Wow. This market has been moving up for a very long period of time. It has been moving up for a very can you see the strong impulse moving up for a very long period of time. So let me just mark out this point here. Okay. So let's go. Let me just mark it out. It's very complicated. Yeah. Let's go to the daily time frame. Oh shit. Price has been trending downward and later reversed. So is this time for a bullish reversal on US 30? Is this time for a bullish reversal on US 30? Uh, Let me see what I can out. Yeah. This is obviously a bearish trend. Let's see. Okay, good. I can see a buy pressure and a sell pressure here forming a very nice confluence. So that's a zone. Look at the buy pressure and look at the sell pressure. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see what we can mark up. Okay, so let's check for inner trend. So this is a double bottom here. So price came down here to test this double bottom before it starts going up. Can you see? First bottom, second bottom, breakout of neckline, retest, and continuation upward. So the way you pay attention to trend, you also need to pay attention to the structures. You also need to pay attention to the what price is doing for you to know if okay there's a strong there's a weakness in impulse or strengthening or strength on the impulse. So let's see. Oh shit. Okay, this was where price retested. Price retested this point. Can you see? It tested the neckline of the structure and it also retested the trend line before price start pushing upward on US 30. Oh, I didn't even had seen this, but I don't trade this pair. Yeah. I didn't even had seen this. I would have capitalized from this market. Trust me. I'm not even capping, man. I would have capitalized from this market. So, but still, how can we still capitalize from this market? So price broke this low here. Can you see? Price broke this low here. Sorry, this high. Sorry. Price broke this high here, which is a higher high. So we might see price come down to because I know about US 30, NASDAQ, we're expecting structures a lot. They do respect structures a lot. So we might just see price come down here for a retest of the structure. For a retest of structure it broke before it starts pushing upward. Yeah, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Oh, good. Because on the weekly it still looks bullish, man. It looks bullish. So and price can't just keep going in a straight line. So we might just see price come down to retest this high it broke before it starts its bullish continuation upward. So that's what I'm looking out for on US 30. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, like, and subscribe for more content, family. Stay off. I wish you a blessed week ahead. Yeah. Stay blessed.